These are my watch cats. From left to right, we have Baby Girl, we have Diva, Kato. Oh, now Honey stepped in there, and Thomas. Honey's talking to them. And the reason is, oh, Shadow just meowed, is every morning I feed the birds. And there was probably about 50 of them there a second ago. Here they come. Now yesterday, Timmy thought he was going to try and get them and banged his head on the patio door and scared them all away. All right, let me back out of here again. What you got, Kato? Are you hiding behind the bank? Shadow, you need to get away from there. Oh, there's Mama. Mama, you're not going to go look at the birds? Anybody want to come do my cat laundry? Anyway, so there they are. Diva, is there birds out there? Hi, baby girl. Where are they at? Oh, they're all gone.